to do makumegane with. I can think of all kinds of cool uses. But it comes as a set of 4, and there's 4 different designs. And it's set number 367. I also got 2 imprintable cutters from her. Cutter number 213, which is this curlicue one that fits together. And this is an interlocking one that forms a shape like this when you cut the pieces out. I'm hoping to use these for pendants for guys. I thought they came out kind of cool. And these come out really pretty where you can have a textured ring and a decorative ring. So many different choices. This is cutter number 213 and I got it in a size 1.75 inches. Then she threw in a cool set, which I don't think are listed on her website yet, but she said she'd get them up soon. But there's 4 really cute imprintable cutters on it. One is, I think, this I'm thinking is supposed to be an old-fashioned TV or a book. Maybe it's a book now that I look at it. Okay, book. This is maybe a cassette tape, maybe? I'm not really sure what it is. But, hey, we can come up with something to use it for. It's a school set, so this is a book, this is a tube of paint, this is a crayon, and this is some kind of electronic gadget, maybe a tablet, not sure really, but they're cute. And they make cute pins, and I was playing with them to make some keychains out of them. Then I got a larger bow for hair clips, and this one is about 2 inches across, and it makes a real nice bow that I can hook a clip to. Then I got 2 sets of cutters. One is a set of round ones. And then this is a set of curved squares. And there's 4 pieces in the squares. And she only sent me 2 of the round ones, but they're great for centers and that on pendants. And these make a really nice set you can use for earrings, a necklace, that type of thing. They go from a 1 1/4 inch across down to 1/2 inch. And the round one is 3/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch. Let me unstack everything here. All right, now I can put these ones back in the box. Okay, next in my box of goodies is this cute paw print. The local football team here is the Tigers, so I wanted a paw print cutter that I could use to make pendants and earrings and that type of thing. And it prints the paw print after you cut the actual shape. And this is cutter number 215. Next thing is this cool set of earrings. And they're a mirror set. So you have the hearts on different sides, but it's two hearts with a cutout of a, two teardrops with a cutout of a heart at the base of the earring piece. And this is cutter number 430. And then I want an elongated oval for making small hair clips and also for earrings. So I got this, and it's cutter number 43 in a 1.75 inch. Then similar, this is a elongated rectangle that curves out slightly at the sides. It's cutter number 316. And same thing, I want to use it for hair clips. Then she sent me these cute little cutters. They're like micro cutters. She doesn't have them listed as far as I know, but they're cute. They have all different geometric shapes. A plus sign, a hexagon, not sure what that is, a badge, I guess, a curved plus, a little football, a trapezoid, a rhomboid. So these can be used to add dimensions, like say you're doing a slab, and you could cut little shapes to add to your slab. Next set is this set of 3 acrylic forms for doing paper style beads out of polymer clay, where you can cut the piece and then wrap around a knitting needle or a wire tube. But there's 3 different triangles, and they go from a 1 1/4 inch down to 3/4 of an inch wide. Then I don't know why those were in there, but that didn't come from Rhonda. Okay. Then there's this cute, impressible pendant piece where you get the flower petal appearance that you can then antique to show off the texture. And then there's these two impressible pieces for making earrings. One says love and the other one has a heart on it. This one is round, this one is heart-shaped. Then this one has been real popular with hair clips. My granddaughter just loves the mermaid tail. And then a slightly smaller bow to go with this one. This one is just a little bit smaller than the bigger one that I just got. Okay, put those away. Okay, next is a set of mirrored earrings, two different shapes. There's these ones and these ones. And they are almost 2 inches and 1 3/4 inches. And they're 3/4 of an inch across and almost 3/4 of an inch across. Then I got the set of kites. There's a small one for earrings and a larger one for pendants. And that's cutter number 55. This is cutter number 211, and it makes a cute little dangly earring for cutting slabs out of. And it's cutter 211. Then she set this pretty necklace piece that also imprints similar to the flower petal one that I had. And you're able to antique and get the texture in it. But this is real pretty too for a slab. And the quality of the cutters is really good. They're nice and thin. They go through the clay well. Then there's this cute flower. Or a snowflake, I suppose. Then I've got two Makumegane texture pieces for texturing into a block. for Makumegane. One does little holes where you press into your stack, and that's doesn't have a number on it, but it's under her on the tool section of her. Oh, I'm sorry, T001, and this one is T004. And it does, I call them wagon wheel spokes, but you're able to do a pattern in the Makumegane. And last but not least, I got a nice acrylic block for doing swirl beads and that. And then also a template out of acrylic for cutting shapes. It's for earrings, and you've got a teardrop, an oval, and I'm not sure what to call them too, but anyway, those are the cool shapes. So that pretty much is it for what I got from Miss Rhonda this month. So stay tuned. We'll have lots of tutorials showing off all great ways to play with these gadgets. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying my content. And I'll see you on the next one as soon as I get it posted. You have a good day. Bye.